by next Friday, the 24th of October, we will be flagging off the 25-kilometer Umuahia Ekodepene road. The federal road, but we got approval from the Federal Ministry of Works to do the road for our people. We know some people wanted to scuttle it. They didn't want the approval to be given. And some of them are also from Abia. And the question is, you don't want the road that passes your father's house to be built. Then where lies your patriotism? But thank God we were able to get the approval. And we have awarded the road, and we will flag it off on Friday next week. We will also join the 13.1 kilometer Oriamo-Saka ring road with the flag off. So both of them will be flagged off on Friday. Beyond those, we also have awarded the 9.3 kilometer Ihechi-Owa ring road. We also awarded the 4.9 kilometer Isieketa Mba Itungwa Mbedala road in Isialangwa South. We also awarded the 3.7 kilometer Ogidi Omuala Eziamantega road in Isialangwa North. All those will also be flagged off any moment from now. There are a whole lot of other things that we can talk about, but I want to yield the floor to all of you who are part of this chat today so that we can also hear from you. So once again, thank you for joining. I'll turn the microphone to the anchors so that they can take questions, and we'll continue with the chat the way we always do. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Moses Ben.